Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So again today we are here for learning science. So what we learn in science? We learn about different types of things and animals and plants and many other things. So as you know, I am your science teacher from Mahdi School, Mubassira Miss, and we learn about different types of things today. So we revise lesson number 2, living and non-living things. So we revise this lesson for our exam. So we revise in this lesson today about exercise which we write in fair book. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line, that dream it, believe it and achieve it. So when you dream it, you have to believe in your dreams. So dream big, and when you believe in your dream, you hard work for your dreams. So after then you can achieve your dreams. So the line is dream it, believe it and achieve it. So you have to do hard work for fulfill your dreams. So let's start our today's topic. So first we revise lesson number 2. What is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is living and non-living things. So first we revise that what we learn in lesson number 2. So we learn about different types of things in this lesson. So which things we learn in this lesson? We learn about living things, things that can be moved, that can breathe, that can eat, that can drink, all are living things. Then we learn about non-living things, that opposite to living things. So all these things we learn in lesson number 2, living and non-living things. Then we learn about natural things and man-made things. So in this lesson we learn about these all things also, and also we learn that what is different between different types of things. So let's revise what we learn in this lesson. So first we learn about what are living things. So what are living things? Things that need food for eat, that can breathe, that can move, that can feel, that can grow and reproduce are called living things. So living things need air to breathe, water to drink and food to eat. Living things can move one place to other place with their own. So things which can move and grow are called living things. As we know that we grow from small to big. So these all things which can grow, breathe, eat food, drink water and feel things, like we can feel heat, we can feel cold. So these all are living things. So what are living things? That things that need food, can breathe, can move, feel, grow and reproduce are called living things. So here you can see that we write that living things can move, can grow, can change. Like first we are small, then we grow and big. Then living things need air, water, food and shelter, and people, animals, plants are living things. So we see the example of living things. Which are they? That peoples, animals, plants and many other things like birds, all are living things. So let's see some example of living things. So first you can see here birds. Birds are living things because birds can eat, can reproduce, they lay eggs. Then birds fly in sky, so they move one place to other place by on. When you see aeroplane need petrol to go one place to other place. When birds can move by on. So birds, animals like birds, animals also breathe, also eat food, also drink water. So animals are also living things. Then plants, as we know that plants grow with help of water and they make food also, and they grow like human beings. So you can see that we learn in lesson number 3 about plants, that plants are also living things. And people means all of us. So you, me, our parents, our younger brother and sister, our grandparents, all are living things. The people around us also living things. So these all are examples of living things. So what are examples of living things? Birds, animals, plants, and people or humans, all are living things. So we learn in lesson number 2 about living things, that things can move, breathe, eat food and drink water are living things. Then we learn about non-living things. So what are non-living things? Non-living things are opposite to living things. That things that cannot eat, breathe, move, feel, grow and reproduce are called non-living things. So as we know that non-living things like ball and benches and pencils, books, you cannot see any book growing the whole year. When you study, your book size is as it is. So things that cannot eat, you never see book is eating, you never see book is drinking. So things that cannot eat, breathe, move, feel, grow and reproduce are called non-living things. So these all are non-living things. So let's see some example of non-living things. So here you can see books. So these books are non-living things. Why? Because books cannot move from one place to other place by on. Yes, you can take book and put one bench to other bench, but you cannot move this book by on. So books. Then ball. We all play with ball. Here you can see different types of ball: cricket ball, basketball, bowling ball, volleyball ball. These all are balls. They can move, but how we throw it, then they can move. They cannot move by on. So ball are also non-living things. Then we learn about other things like natural things. So what are natural things? The things which are non-living things and that are not made by man are called natural things. So we learn about two things, living and non-living things. So from this non-living things and which are not made by man are called natural things. So when you see ball, so ball we can made it. These all are natural things. So like mountains, so we cannot make mountains. We see big mountains and we cannot made it. Why? Because it is made by nature. Man cannot made it. So things which are non-living and not made by man are natural things. So in this, natural things can be living also or non-living also. So living natural things are birds, animals and humans. All of us are natural things. And some natural things are non-living. Why? Because we cannot made it. Like water. We store water from rain, but we cannot make water. At our home, we can make cold drinks from water, but we cannot make water at home. So these all things are natural things. So let's see some example of natural things. That river. We all see river. So in river, water is made by nature. So we cannot make river. When we store water in bottle, we make bottle, but we cannot make river because river are made by nature. So river is natural things. Why? Because we cannot made it. Here you can see the picture of river. Then next, mountains. As I told you that big mountains are made by nature. So we cannot made mountains. We can make buildings, we can make houses, we can make buildings, big buildings, then mountains, but we cannot made mountains. As we know that mountains cannot move. Did you see anywhere that mountain move one place to other place? Mountain eat, mountain drink water? No. So these things which are not eat, drink, reproduce and breathing and not made by man are called natural things. Then rain and clouds. So we see that when it's raining, the rain is made by nature. We cannot made it. We can make fountains, but the water we get from rain, and this rain made by nature, and rain is also non-living things. Clouds are also non-living things and made by nature. They can move but with the help of air. So rain and clouds are also natural things. So sky. Sky is also natural things, because we know that we cannot make sky. We can make picture of sky, but we cannot make real sky. As we know that sky is need for birds also, and clouds are also in sky. So this sky is non-living thing, but it made by nature. So sky is also natural thing. Then next is man-made things. So what are man-made things? Things that made by man, that which we can made it. It is man-made things. So non-living things that are made by man are man-made things. So man-made things are non-living. We cannot make living things. Things which can be made, all are man-made things, like bag, pencil, benches, buildings, houses. All these things are made by man. Man means humans, people. So which things which we can made with help of natural things like wood, and water and all these things we use to make things. So things which are non-living and made by man are called man-made things. Remember that all man-made things are non-living things because we only make non-living things. We cannot make living things. Living things can only made by nature. So things which made by man are called man-made things. Let's see some example of man-made things. So all vehicles included aeroplane, helicopters, steamers and all these things made by man. Here you can see the picture of car. So car, you can see that car is moving one place to other place. So is that a living thing? No. Why? Because car move one place to other place. But if you not start the car not move. So here is a difference between living things and man-made things which can move. So when you see dog can move one place to other place, but car cannot move one place to other place because we need to start the car. Then you can move car one place to other place. So car is man-made thing. We see the factories of car also. We see the factories of tire also. Even the toy car is made by man. Did you see any time that rain of car or rain of toy car? No. Why? Because the car is made by man. So car is an example of man-made things. Even all vehicles included aeroplane, steamboats, helicopters, submarines, all these vehicles made by man. The next is table. In our house we use table, in our school we use table. So this table is made by man. We see the factories of table. When we want to make a table, we call carpenter for making table. So this carpenter is man, a human. So this table is made by human. Like that we make chair also, we make car also, many other things we make from wood. This wood we get from nature. So things are made by men but once alive, like wood is we get from tree and tree is once alive. So here you can see the picture of table. Then mirror. Mirror is also made by man. So we find minerals from land and we make a mirror from it. So here is the example of man-made things which are mirror, car, table, chair and many other things we use in our study like pencil, eraser, ball pens, scale. All these things also made by man. Did you see any time that there is a tree of eraser or tree of pencil and we can take out the eraser like we take out apple from tree? No, we cannot see any tree of these things. So these all things are made by man. That's why we called it man-made things. These all are examples of man-made things like car, table, mirror, pencil, eraser, sharpener and many other things like bag and all these things we made from wood and many other things, and these all are made by man. So let's revise exercise. Exercise question number 1, hard word. Already we done this exercise and today we revise it because this is exam revision. So first word is living, Living, living. So we write these all hard words and all these things in fair book. So first is living. Second is non-living things. Non-living things can made by man or it can be natural also. And many, M-A-N-Y, many. Number 4, breathe. So we take breathe in air every second. So we need to breathe. Why? Because we all are living things and living things need air to breathe. Number 3, reproduce. So you can see here picture of one baby and mother and picture of one hen which lay egg and get other baby hen from egg. So this is reproduce. Natural. Things like mountain, rivers which we cannot made. Man-made. You can see here one man is making table. So this is man-made. Things which made by man are man-made things. Wood. So wood we get from tree. So here you can see different types of wood. Alive. Alive means living. Here you can see the one boy is moving and the hand of this boy is moving. 1, 2, 1, 2 like that. So it is alive. Soil. We learn in lesson number 3 about soil. So the land we called it soil. Air. So we all take air in breathing. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. In this, we have to write one right answer in blanks. Number 1. All plants and animals are dash things. So we learn in this lesson that all plants and animals are living thing or non-living thing. They can eat, they can drink water, they can breathe. Yes. So all plants and animals are living things. So we write here living things. Number 2. A book is a dash thing. Living or non-living. So book is a living thing. They can move one place to other place by one. They can eat. No. So we write here. We write that answer non-living. Living or non-living. We write here non-living. Number 3. Things not made by man are called dash things. So things which are not made by man and non-living. So things that made by man, we called it man-made things. When things which are not made man, things not made by men are called dash things, natural or man-made. So things which we can made, we called it man-made things, and things which we cannot made, we called it natural things. So we write here natural things. So from this natural and man-made, we write here natural. Number 4. Dash things can be natural or man-made. So living things can be natural or man-made? No, because we cannot made living things. We only made non-living things. So non-living things like mountains, rivers are also natural things. And non-living things like books, pens are made by men. So we write here non-living things can be natural or man-made. Living things need dash to breathe. So what we need to breathe? Air or water? We take water in breathe? No. We take air in breathe. So we write here air. A-I-R. Air. Number 6. Living things need dash to drink. So what we drink? Water or air? In bottle. What we drink? We drink water. So we write here water. Living things need water to drink. So we write here water. Now question number 3. Match the following. So as we know that we have to join question with answer. So first is living things. So from this, chair, tree, stone. Which is living things? Tree. So we joined living things with tree. All these things we write in fair book. So living things we joined with tree. Number 2, natural things. From chair and stone. Which is natural things? Chair is natural things? No. Stone is natural thing? Yes. We get stone from mountains. So natural thing is stone. Number 3, man-made things. So chair is man-made thing. So here we write the answer with question. Living things tree, natural things stone, man-made things chair. So we joined the answer with question. So now you can understand that which are living things and which are non-living things. Question number 4. Write 2 example. So in this we have to write 2 names of each. Number 1. Living things. So which are living things? Birds, animals, plants, human beings, all are living things. So we have to write only 2 things from it. So first is birds, which we learned that birds are living things, and second is animals. You can write here plants also, people also. You can write lion and tiger, particular name also. So we write here birds and animals. So here is the spelling of birds and animals. So living things, birds and animals. Number 2. Non-living things. So which are non-living things? You can write any non-living things. Car, bus, roads and house, benches. So we write here car and books, because we use these in our life. So we write the spelling of car also and spelling of book also. So here you can see 2 non-living things, car and book. Number 3. Natural things. So which are natural things? Mountains, rivers, sun, moon, star, all are natural things. Why? Because these all are made by nature. So we write here 2 names from it. Which are they? Sun and moon, because we see sun and moon every day. So we write the spelling of sun and spelling of moon. So you can write any of natural things. It's not compulsory that you have to write here sun and moon. You can write mountains and rivers, air and water also. Number 4. Man-made things. Things which are made by man. So which are they? Book, pen, pencil, eraser, car. So we write here table and ball, because we used to play with ball. So we write the spelling of table and spelling of ball. So in this you have to write two names for each. Man-made things, which are there? Table and ball. So here we complete our exam revision of lesson number 2. So what we learn in this lesson? We learn about 4 different types of things. Which are they? Living things, non-living things, man-made things and natural things. So I hope you all revise lesson number 2 and understand what we learn. So stay healthy and keep yourself neat and clean.